Okay, Zen. All right. See what we got? Yeah. You want to see it? Here we go. Ooh. It's a 15-piece cat tea set. Do you want it? You want to see it? Let's see it. All right. Just take it out. Okay, let's open it. Look at that. Ooh, so it's not even metal. It's feels like leather. Nice stitching, right? Yeah, let's open it. So we've got 15-piece cat tea jewel set. It looks like it comes kind of like in a lunchbox. All right, so let's open it. You know how to open it? So flip this thing open. Good job. Flip it open. Lay it down now. Okay. Let's open it up. Turn it this way. Okay, let's open it up again. Turn it open. Wow. All right, so we can have a tea set, right? Like this. First off, so we got a plate. There we go. Let's take this out. Okay, let's move this back. Okay. I'm going to take this off it.
You'll be ready to have tea with your friends. Have another virtual tea party. Oh, thank you, Mom. And I'm going to get that.
Good job. Wow. Okay, so then we're going to lay the cups down. And then it goes like this. See? And then you take this.
Oh my God.
No, like this.
It doesn't have cats on it.
Put your cup here. Well, you got your other cups, so we're going to do like this, baby. Do like this. Take a little plate. Then get a cup. Get a cup. Pull it out. Go hard. Up there. Put it down here. Okay, so now we have 1 cup of tea. 2 cups of tea. Okay, that's already 6 pieces. There you go. 8. 9 pieces. Okay, you got another one. There's one more tea set. Right here. Down on top. Yeah, you can have a tea party with your friends, okay? Alright, let's put that right there. We're going to need to wash it.
What's that for?
It's your teapot. You put the water in there. And then you have corn. And then try drinking. Hey, try it. Is that good? All right, so that's your tea party set. Oh, wait, hold on. There's more. Oh, we got a cup. Let's get this out. Okay, so we get this out. Put it in here.
That's for what?
So we go like this.
That's for dinner?
For tea. Can you put on a tea set for me? Can you fit it in? Will it fit in? Let's see. No, it won't fit in. Okay, tell you what. Now let's do the small plates only. And the big plates can wait outside. So we'll go like this. Take this. Take that kitty out. Oh, look at that cat too. That cat. That's a big one. Okay, let's put him back over there. Okay, and then now let's take this other one too. You want to put that one back there? Put this plate back over here.
We do it later when it's tea party?
Yeah, okay, now here. Now you put the cups on your tea set. Here, put the other one there. Alright. Oh yeah, you can put the tea here. You can put that in the middle. Perfect. So then, you want to serve and pretend. You want to pretend. Pour some tea. Ooh, and then give some to Amma. Want some tea? Here you go. Yeah, we can have tea together. Say thank you. Okay, then drink. You want some? You want one for yourself? That's so good, huh? Sure, I'll take some tea. Yes, right. Okay, so what do we have today? You have a tea party set? Yeah, so we clean it up now. Of course, some tea for Amma. Ooh, can you give it to her then? Put it on the big plate here. Put the plate. Put the little plate. There, give it to her. Thank you so much. Ooh, is it good? Some good tea. Sure, as much as you want. It's your tea party. Some cheers or cheers, toast. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Alright, that was some good tea.
Mama, ow,
Say bye-bye.